Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. I am so excited because I have brand new pieces in from Cupshe that I want to share with you. If you haven't heard of Cupshe, it is an amazing affordable clothing company with everything from beach to brunch to dinner, all the things. They have the best bathing suits, which is what I started purchasing from Cupshe, was all the bathing suits. They are amazing and they have bathing suits for every single body type. So worth checking out. If you're new, I'm Laura. Please stick around for that long haul, hit that subscribe so I can keep on creating content just like this one for you. And of course, wait till the end because I do have discount codes for you. All right, let's start. So Cupshe has the most beautiful dresses, the most beautiful bathing suits, the most beautiful cover-ups, all the things. They have denim, they have shorts, they have everything. If you are set for a vacation, if you just want to refresh on your summer wardrobe, that's the place for you. I'm going to start with a few bathing suits and then I have some gorgeous dresses to share with you today. So let's get right into it. So first up, I have this beautiful blue bathing suit on and this gorgeous blue cover-up. I love this one. It is a sweater material. It's got all the fun little holes in it. It's in this brilliant blue, which is absolutely gorgeous. It has the cinched here waist right under the bust. Perfect to throw in your bag or to wear out for breakfast, brunch before you're hitting the beach or the pool. So pretty. And how about this beautiful bikini? I love the blue. It has shimmer going all through it. This is so gorgeous. It's got full bum coverage, higher on the sides. They do have tankinis, they have one pieces. I am very long here in the waist, so I like two pieces, otherwise they just don't work. Tankinis are fabulous as well. I think this one is so pretty. Alright, so this one is called the Good Character Blue Bikini Set. It is $39 for both pieces. Yes, $39. No paying $100 for the top and $100 for the bottom. No, $39, and I have a discount code for you. So this one says that the style contains Lurex metallic yarn. So they want to call that out in case you have sensitive skin. We recommend short-term wear. I do not have sensitive skin. I think the shimmer looks so pretty in there, but I love that they call it out. Sweetheart neckline, hidden underwire, adjustable straps, removable soft cups. And they have a high bust support, mid-rise, standard cut leg, and the classic bum coverage. For the cover-up, it's the Manifested Blue Cover-Up Mini. It comes in 3 colors, sizes small to extra large, and it is a plunging neckline, short sleeves, and mini length create a flirty, relaxed fit that made it perfect for summer plans. Next up, another fun set. How about this cover-up? Is this not gorgeous? I'm loving all the colors in this. It is so lightweight, elastic waist. Just pop it right on. So cute, right? This one is fabulous. All the colors are gorgeous in this. So easy to wear, easy to pack, it's not going to wrinkle. And how about a hot pink bathing suit? How about this one? This one is so pretty in this bright pink. It has the blue trim. I love this little like varsity stripe at the bottom here. This is so fun, so much detail. It has the inserts, so it gives you a little bit of that extra coverage, adjustable straps. Alright, so for the Kaleido Coast Abstract Cover-Up Mini Dress, $29. It comes in 2 colors, so one other pattern, extra small to extra large. And it says that it brings a bold splash of color to sunny days, features a V neckline, sleeveless cut, and mini length for vibrant, easygoing look, and $29. So for all the clothing, I believe I'm wearing smalls, and then for the bathing suits, I always size to my chest, so I'll get the 34C, and then the medium bottom. So usually it's medium top, medium bottom. I always stick with the medium bottom, and it's either medium top or a 34D. Sorry, 34C. Okay, and then for this bathing suit, which is the Good Sport Colorblock Bikini set, $35 for both. Comes in small, medium, or large. And it says it brings a sporty style to every beach lineup. Scoop neckline, high bust support, keeps the fit secure and flattering, while the high waist bottoms and classic bum coverage create a comfortable, easy-going feel. Alright, my last bathing suit, but I want to note, I think the sun is finally trying to come out for one of these Cupshe videos. I'm so excited. Alright, I have on the last bathing suit to share with you with this haul. Paired it with some fun cover-up pants. You could wear these to go to the boardwalk, to go shopping, to go to breakfast. Put on your favorite tank. I would throw on just a white tank with this, or a cute little denim shirt, or, you know, a little t-shirt, anything that's going to keep you comfortable. These are adorable pants with the fun lace at the bottom. They're a beachy pants. I see me walking on the beach in these when I can finally get to a vacation. Hopefully that happens sooner rather than later. Wider leg styling, elastic waist with the drawstring. Very, very comfy. And how about this cute little bathing suit? It's got all the fun pattern going through it here. It's nice and stretchy and comfortable with the gold hardware. Check out the fun back. And then how cute is the bottom? This is my favorite kind of bottom, the traditional bikini bottom. It still has full bum coverage. So, so cute. Hardware on the sides as well. Alright, so this bikini set is called the Ultramarine Blue Bikini Set. It comes in two other colors. It comes in a fun pink, this really pretty neon pink, and it also comes in a royal blue, which is patterned. It looks almost like a tiger stripe. Comes in sizes extra small to extra large. I have medium on in both. $43 for both pieces. $43, and I still have a discount code for you. Alright, and then for those pants, which I think you need in your wardrobe, they're going to be perfect for all the things. They're called the Mint to Rome Green Pants. They're on sale right now for $29.70. They're originally $33. Comes in sizes small to extra large. I had on the small, and it has the elasticized waist, keeps it fit easy, while the wide leg silhouette brings that relaxed movement that feels just right for morning coffee to sunset plans. Next up, I have this gorgeous, gorgeous jumpsuit. It does have pockets. It's fitted here at the waist. I have on a size small. I am loving this gorgeous Caribbean print. It just looks so perfect for vacation. It's such a nice length. I put on a heel, but I wouldn't have to. I could do a flat. I am 5'5" for reference. This is so pretty. I have on a small, as I mentioned. It's so easy to wear. Zips up the back, little smocking here. And the print is so gorgeous. It is such a standout. Alright, so this one is called the Yachting Tropical Jumpsuit. It is $39. Comes in 3 different colors. I love this one. Small to extra large. It says that it has a V neckline, sleeveless shape, keeps the look light and flattering, while the wide leg adds a breezy, relaxed finish. It does have a nice beachy leg, right? That relaxed beachy feel. And this is only $39, plus I have a discount for you. Next up, how about this beautiful dress? Nice and flowy, has that little trim here at the bottom, the tiered bottom, the beautiful stripes that give all kinds of fun yachting vibes, right? Beachy, so cute. This is perfect for in the office or for vacation, flip-flops or heels. Light, airy. It's going to feel so nice on these hot days, which today is one of those for me. I'm so glad the sun is out. This is amazing. Now I need sunglasses, right? I'm loving this open neckline and that little bit of a sleeve that makes it appropriate for everything. Gorgeous. So this one is called the Sunset Cruise Stripe Midi Dress. It comes in 3 different stripes patterns, extra small to extra large. I have a small on. So it says that the Sunset Cruise Stripe Midi Dress feels made for evenings by the water. A notched neckline and short sleeves keep the look easy, while the smocked waist and midi length create a flattering, relaxed silhouette. $36. Grab these before they're gone. Their stuff sells out so fast. So I'm so thankful to Cupshe for this partnership. They did send me these pieces. I have been partnering with them for several years now. It's one of my most grateful partnerships. They've just been amazing, and it really allows me to bring you some really beautiful pieces. So as I wear each and every one of these to share with you, I get more and more excited because they really are such an amazing brand, and the prices you just can't beat. So let's talk about this gorgeous dress. This one has a modesty snap right here, adjustable straps. Again, fitted here at that waist, creating a waist for you so it doesn't hang out, which I love, so it makes it look nice and slimming. It has the cute little flounce at the bottom, flowy. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Again, flip-flops or heels, this is going to be perfect. Add a blazer to go in the office or just wear it for fun. Girls' night, beach, brunch. Just putting it on will make you happy. I'm telling you. The fabric is light and airy and feels perfect for the warm weather. It's called the Stay Sweet Abstract Midi Dress. $34 for this dress. Extra small to extra large. It does come in one other color. And it says it has a V neckline and sleeveless cut to keep it light and easy, while the midi length adds a soft, breezy finish. Love it. We're down to the last outfit. All right, so this last and final outfit has us taking a walk on the wild side, and I am here for it. These pull-on style pants with the elastic waist and the little tie and the matching little halter top is gorgeous. I can create room here because I'm in control of where this strap is, so I'm able to create some room. It does have the little gathers like the smocking, so you have all kinds of extra room here. The little flirty bottom. How adorable is that, with the little elastic down here as well. And I have a heel on, but I could wear a flat. These are a nice length. Again, 5'5" for reference. Flip-flop heel. You could dress this up with a cute little spiky heel for date night. I love everything about this. What do you think of the wild animal print? So pretty, right? The halter is a tie back and very comfortable. All right, so for these final items, the Lexi Rivera Catwalk top, $20.80 on sale right now. Comes in extra small to extra large. I have a small on. It says the Catwalk top is perfect for seaside brunches and slow afternoons, high neckline, and sleeveless cropped cut. Keep the look breezy, effortless, and ready for anything the day brings. And then the matching pants are called the Lexi Rivera Catwalk pant. And they are $29. Extra small to extra large. I have on a small. And they're made for strolling the coast in style, drawstring waist, and wide leg cut. Keep the vibe breezy. All right, and that is all of my pieces. What did you guys think? I had so much fun with these that I just can't stand it right now. I have to go on a vacation because these pieces so deserve it. If not, you're going to be seeing these in my outfit of the day, which you see those anyway. So make sure you check out that Sunday video so you can see how I wear these. And I promised you discount codes, so I have those. So if you use the code HAPPY15 or FASHION15, you'll get 15% off your purchase over $65. HAPPY15 or FASHION15. If you use the code FASHION20, it's 20% off $135 or more that you spend. You can't lose with these prices, right? They're amazing. I can't wait to hear what you thought. So please do comment down below. Tell me your favorites from this haul. And please go check Cupshe out. They have so much more than I've shared with you. So many pieces. There's definitely something for everybody, and the prices can't be beat. I'll list everything down below in case you want to shop the things I've shared with you today. I'll put my links down below as well as the discount codes. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, swipe to hype. A huge thank you to Cupshe for letting me do this, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.